Right now at 5, another lawsuit against the city of Milwaukee, this time brought by the family of Derek Williams.
My kids ain't got no father.
Williams, of course, died 5 years ago today while sitting in the back of a Milwaukee police squad car. His death sparked protests and investigations.
And no criminal charges were ever filed against the officers who first arrested Williams after an alleged robbery.
Jonah Kaplan live outside the federal courthouse. Jonah, how big a settlement is Williams' family seeking?
George and Kyle, this is the 22-page complaint here. The lawsuit names 12 defendants, 11 MPD officers, and the city of Milwaukee. There is no specific amount of money that they are seeking as damages, but the attorneys say this is something everyone in Milwaukee should pay attention to. 22-year-old Derek Williams Jr. died in the back of an MPD squad car on July 6, 2011. In this dash cam video, you can see he repeatedly tells officers he can't breathe. The medical examiner first ruled Williams died of natural causes. A year later, the ME took another look and ruled the death a homicide. District Attorney John Chisholm then appointed a special prosecutor who convened a 6-member jury to consider the facts. That jury, in a non-binding decision, found probable cause for charges against 3 MPD officers for Williams' death. The prosecutor called the case undeniably disturbing, but worried he couldn't prove the officer's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. To this day, no one has been charged.
My kids been going through pain and suffering, and I'm ready for our justice.
Williams' girlfriend, Sharday Rose, is also the mother of his 3 children, ages 5, 6, and 7.
There's people that come to me all the time, ask me what's going on with the case, when is it going to happen, what's going to happen.
The lawsuit claims MPD's culture, policies, and procedures influenced the officers to ignore Williams' medical attention. The officers did eventually administer CPR and argued their view of Williams was not as clear at night as an infrared dash cam. And MPD has since updated its practices when it comes to risk management. Rose's attorneys say this fight is their last stand.
Obviously, no amount of money can bring Derek Williams Jr. back. But we think that it's proper for a jury to decide, if this case goes to a jury, what a human life is worth.
We did speak today with officials at the city attorney's office. We also reached out to the mayor and to the police chief. No one is offering comment as this is pending litigation. It is an open case. As to whether or not it will head to trial, we'll know that in at least a year, say the attorneys. We are live here in downtown Milwaukee. Jonah Kaplan, today's TMJ4.
Yeah, these suits can take a long time. Thank you, Jonah.